I'm talking with Richard Soley of the Industrial Internet Consortium here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Richard, we've not had a chance to talk to you before at Total Telecom, so first of all, tell me about the consortium and what it actually does.
The consortium, which is almost 3 years old today, develops test beds. That's what's most important. How do you use IoT in industries, in healthcare, in agriculture, in transportation, logistics, supply chain, in manufacturing and production? All these areas have essentially not been affected by the internet to date, and they should be. There's tremendous opportunities to apply Internet of Things in those industries. So what we're doing is to understand how to use IoT in those industries, actually build test beds and see how we get there. Sure, we published an architecture and a security framework. How do you innovate using IoT? But the most important thing we're doing is those test bed developments in smart cities, in agriculture, in water and city management, in manufacturing and production and so forth.
Now, there's been a lot of talk about IoT here at the Mobile World Congress, but Barcelona has a much bigger and much more focused IoT event coming up. Tell us about your involvement with the Solutions World Congress.
So IoT Solutions World Congress, which started about 1.5 years ago here in Barcelona, is a partnership between the Industrial Internet Consortium and Fira Barcelona, one of the largest show companies in the world. As you know, they for example, host this show, Mobile World Congress. Mobile World Congress is a little bit broader, specifically focused on telecommunications. Telecommunications is one element of the Internet of Things. To make the Internet of Things work, you have to be able to talk to sensors, you have to be able to talk to actuators, you have to be able to do predictive real-time analytics. At IoT Solutions World Congress, we not only talk about it, we show you real case studies, real test beds, real running IoT systems in industries. Our participation is to build the entire Congress. Obviously it's a Congress and it's an exhibition. Fira hosts the entire event, but we build the Congress because we have the expertise. We work with the companies to build those test beds, to build those case studies, to actually find out how you apply Internet of Things in industries.
What sort of areas of interest do you think there'll be particularly in Barcelona? Where do you see the big interest levels?
There are many different, I would say the single largest interest level today in IoT and industry is in manufacturing and production. That said, the tremendous number of test beds that we're seeing and use cases that we're seeing in smart cities, in connected vehicles, in agriculture, in power generation, distribution and transmission, in all sorts of areas. Sure, so manufacturing and production is probably 35–40% of our test beds today, but we're in every other area. Agriculture is the one that seems to be growing the fastest at the moment. Apologies for the pun.
That's okay. Thank you for talking to us. We'll be there.
Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you there.